Come with me.
And you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation.
We're here na, Laguna.
Si Joe ay nandito. Joe, katok. Joe. 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 Joe.
So guys, we're here already.
Ah, si Adrian.
Let's
Si
check.
Adrian, si Adrian, si Adrian.
Sage.
Hey. We're stopover.
Pick check. What's your suot?
What is this?
Yeah, like that, and then like
And then
that.
the blue. I'm the only one blue. God damn it.
He's like, oh my god.
Oh, there is the first one.
Why are you blue?
I don't know. I'm really concerned.
Oh, what's your outfit? Outfit check.
Super beautiful and you balance. Oh, come on.
Oh, there, yes. Okay, what's yours? Ano?
Essential.
Essential. Eh. Okay, mine is like, oh no, I don't know.
Come on.
Hi guys!
What's up?
We're here!
Drop.
We're here na po sa Ike. Hey guys!
Where we park?
It's currently, what time is it?
11:11.
Makapasupukin na sa lahat ng taong to, please Lord!
Manifesting.
No. See you guys later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Guys, we're inside na! Yay! Oh, come on, picture.
Come on, your payongs!
Guys, we're gonna go here na. Hello! Hi guys! So come on, samahan nyo kami guys, pumasok there. Hold it! Then like that. Come on, join us! Oh, come on! Come on na! Oh, come on!
First, before started.
Guys, so we're currently in Real.
We are.
Mommy, where are we? Welcome back to my vlog, dali. Hi guys. Going inside. Uy, may cameraman.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go inside. Actually, hindi namin alam anong gagawin dito. Wala kami alam. We're just going inside. See you later. Bye-bye. We're done! Oh my god. So guys, we're done already! Yippee! Okay. Where's our next stop?
Flying Fiesta.
Okay, come on.
Flying Fiesta, let's go.
Come on.
You do that also, the Rio Grande.
Flying Fiesta, come on. Flying Fiesta.
So hot.
Yes, I'm doing it na nga eh. Come on, guys. Guys, we're done! Joanna May! What you gonna say? It's alright?
It's boring.
Yeah. It's duyan lang. Duyan lang. Hey, how about you? I'm okay. I like this ride. Very chill.
Yep.
I just
Spinning like a ballerina.
sing the song. Okay, what next ride? Okay. What's the next?
3 p.m. pa pala yan.
Okay, come on.
Ayan!
Grace, kami grapit na sa akin. Grabe, grapit na sa akin. Aray ko. Oh my God, guys, kapit na kapit. Baka naman sasayaw sila. Let's go. Let's slap and slide. Lang. Here in the lilim. Sila guys, Scary. please. Oh my God. Grabe mga kapit guys, oh. Guys, kapit na kapit siya, guys. Grabe, guys. Oh my God. There's a doctor. Oh, wow. That's a nice tree. Nice tree. Joanna, it's so green. Hirap na yung lakad namin kanina pa atras ka.
Alam mo, nakita mo ba kami ni Daddy? Kinalat ka na kami ni Daddy.
Ano, Joanna?
Come get her, come get her.
Hello daw. Hello daw. Hi, hi, hi.
Come, kuya, come. Kuya, come. Kuya,
Yan siya. Aray ko. Grabe. 70. Wala ka doon. Okay lang yan, nanay.
Mukha mo!
Pakinggan ko na sa may biking. Biking. Come on.
Yes, hello.
Pakinggan ko sa may biking. Come on. Guys, smile.
Wow!
Grabe, nalingkis na sa 8. This is the 2 guys.
Joanna later, Albatros.
I want in the gilid. Oh my goodness me.
Oh, look at Daddy. So calm. So calm. So demure.
Okay guys.
Bye-bye.
See you
Hindi ka as
later.
up, before.
Oh, pagod.
Mamaya ulit, boy. No.
Hey! Nalingkis si Adrian.
I'm so...
Oh my gosh.
It's present, all of them. Come on. Oh, and attendance check. Taddy, Gia. Where's Gia? Come on. Gia's here. Nicole is here. Oh my God. Tangina si Tino mo yung buhok nito.
It's okay.
Si Nicole, tangina ganun na. Oh, Gia said like this.
Because I'm flying! I'm literally flying!
Gia said this. Yung pataas na, parang naghahanap na si Gia ng kamay na hawakan ng phone. Sabi ni Gia,
Oh, space shuttle! Space shuttle! Sa baba na tayo mag-checkahan!
Tara. Magagabi na eh. Ito na. Magagabi na.
oh yes, look at Gia after the oh wow, amazing.
This is after. Yeah. Guys, next stop! Good luck! Come on, let's ride it! Guys, done na! Eh! Come on! Space shuttle next, come on!
I like the feeling of being in a washing machine.
Space shuttle!
Bravo! Parang mga tatlong segundo ang tayo naman.
Aray ko. Come on!
He's looking.
She wants to climb it! The monkey wants to climb it!
Oh, the monkey.
Monkey wants to
The
climb
monkey wants to climb.
I like
Oh
that.
my God, the speedsters.
Hallelujah talaga.
Kanina
Oh
Gia.
my- Wait lang, I want to regain my voice.
It's a monkey! This is a monkey!
This is the monkey. May I see?
It's so cute, the monkey!
Come on. So cute.
Oh, sige, tara.
Additional to the
Guys, we're on the way to the space shuttle. Space shuttle. Yay! okay. Yun na. Oh, go guys, go, go, go. Oh my God, space shuttle, here we go. Oh, may salamin pala. Guys, tapos na.
Nice. Hayap na ako.
Grabe, grabe talaga. Oh my gosh. Say hi guys. Hello. Grabe yung mga taong to nakaupo. The space shuttle. Oh my God. Hallelujah.
Yes. I want to go.
Isa pa, nauna?
Pila ba tayo?
In the front, I want. Tara.
Time to play. Charan! Ano kaya lalaruin nila? Hi guys, we're done na.
Ang galing.
Ang galing, tinabunan! Tinabunan, tinabunan!
Boss. Boss. Boss.
There's souvenir and gift shop. The Tropics. Yes. Tropics. Nice. What you say? What you say? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Grabe AIDS, kaya mo yan.
Thank you, ladder. Ladder.
Hey, nice try!
Wala kasi mura sa photo. Thank you, sir, ma'am.
Oh, we have our own na.
Hirap na
We do not need that one. We have this one. Harap na po niya yung kakambal niya. Oh my goodness me. Oh my God. Jo. Oh my God. Oh, come on. Joanna May, come on. Sit with your brother. Ride it, ride. Hey! Ah, so hot, guys. Hey guys, so we're currently done na sa mga extreme rides and nagpapahinga lang kami.
I'm so haggard.
And anong oras pa lang guys? Like 4 o'clock. Nagtapos na kami sa extreme rides.
The priorities.
Walang masyadong tao today. So, yun. Ay, ang gulo na naman ng clips pero okay lang. Bakit ba?
Wala nga pila sa space shuttle. Paulit-ulit.
Bawal kasi vlog video sa mga rides.
Yes, they got anger.
Let's eat na. Yun lang guys, see you later.
Hindi na kaya.
Bye! Wow, o sige na. Okay.
Lo.
Hi guys, update.
Hindi umabot sa vlog talaga.
Update, we're eating na guys.
Finally, after 5 hours.
Yay, we're eating na.
Come on, let's drink!
Oh, yes, come on.
Let's drink.
Iced tea.
Okay. What time is it already? What time is it?
5:22. Yup.
She's correct. Yup. Update. So, ano ginawa natin kanina guys? Tell to them.
She just sat and she sat and slept for her 1,200 pesos. She just sat and
Yup,
slept
yup, yup.
and sat and slept.
Yup.
And she's complaining she's hungry but she only sat and slept.
I rode 5 rides.
Yay!
It's an achievement. It's usually one or never. Come on guys, be proud.
Okay, okay.
Be proud, it's legit yun.
Okay, I'm proud to you na. I'm proud to you. I'm proud to you.
Ikaw hindi, nag-ulit ko.
Okay. Later ulit ang update. Bye! Hi, guys! Say hi! Say hi!
May bayad yan! May bayad yun eh, tangina nyo!
Say hi to the vlog! Say hi! Ella, chika.
Ano na nasakyan nyo?
Hi! Lahot! Me! Hi guys! Jungle Log! Update! We're gonna sakay Jungle Log! Anyong! Okay, come on! Oh my God! Log jog! Jungle Log!
Whatever you want.
Come on!
Dalawa!
Oh, pwede ako.
Wait, sakto di ba?
Guys, basang-basa po sila.
Wala! Ako din wala! Damit lang dala ko!
Sana sinabi niyong swimming to, guys. Hindi sana nagdala ako na.
Guys, sa sobrang lalapat tibok namin ito, basa.
Nakabok mo, pre. Nabasa yung
I told you, mahirap siya kasapat ito.
Grabe. Wala pa dun sa right. Hala, very good.
Alam mo, kakababa pa lang namin kayo kasi!
Parang di man lang natakot.
Basang-basang. Isip ka talaga.
Hala, eto naman, may ipit na yung kamay niya! Hala, sige!
Hindi ko din. Pag-ilig kami.
May ipit na yung kamay niya!
Rio Grande.
Oh my God, your shoes ko! Is it basa, this one?
No, me, I'm basa. I have to protect your phone.
What about your phone? It's basa.
Oh, it's basa.
Oh, it's not.
Hindi, kasi yung unang pagsak namin, pasok lahat. Kaya basa.
Nagubat na ako. To, ano,
Tapos ito, dinagdagan pa.
Hala, nagsasagwan!
Kasi right yun eh, hindi natin kailangan mag-ano.
Si ate ko, sagwan ng sagwan!
Yung ginawa niya sa amin.
Oh, amoy, may hachipupu sweat!
Pag gano'n siya, basang-basa niya. Basang-basa yung bag niya.
Tumutulo, men!
Oh my God! Oh my God, my phone!
Kasi Nick, natulo kasi pag
Oh my God, my phone! I protect your phone!
Ayun. iPad.
I protect your phone, then oh my God, my phone not protect it.
Sage lang ka mo yung, nagsastop sa amin. Tama na yung gamit!
Yung kamay niya, yung kamay! Nagkaroon din naman sila nun.
Hi guys! Oh my God, we're back. Say hi! Look at her! She's so, kanina lang blue siya, ngayon dark blue na. Nakakainis siya sa dyan. Blue pen.
I love black rum, I love black rum.
Oh my God! Guys! Oh, si Gorilla is climbing up!
Where? I cannot.
Going na sa Rio Grande.
Masaming clothes.
Hi guys!
Pwede ba yan?
Oh, di ba basa?
You see my tears.
Hi guys, update, we're going inside. We're going inside. Come on. Ba't ka nagka-cry? Don't cry!
Sige, iyan na luwag na yung damit.
Tinatawanan ko umiyok ni. Ano na yun?
Don't cry!
Don't cry.
Oh, you'll never forget.
Oh, yak ka. Kasama your my eyes.
Yes.
Kasama your
Thank you po! Hi guys! We're done! Hi!
Can you do a close one?
Very rare moment. Hey! We're going home! Hi guys, we're done. We're going home. Say hi.
Oh, look at my damit.
It's so blue.
Come on.
It's so blue.
It's currently 8:13 and we're done. Yes, guys. I'll tell you a secret.
Super wet.
We're not tripper together next sem. Oh no! No! Don't say that! No, we're together.
So anyway guys, super basang-basa yung damit. As in, super doper.
This is a bittersweet ending.
Oh, come on.
It's really bitter for me.
It's not. It should be an update. Oh my god, guys. So yun lang.
This is my update.
This is my... Ngayon lang ako nag-video with my face kasi ang dami nangyari kanina. Super basa. Yun lang.
My eyes.
Oh, it's a check.
Ano may check?
Oh, my feet is wet.
So we are wet. That's the fit check. Fit check. Wet edition. Yeah. Come on.
It's okay. My car has ano man.
Say hi. Say hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Guys, we're going home.
We're still together next time.
We're going home. Going to the restaurant of her. I miss these people so much. See you later.
We will see us.
Okay, we're going home. We're going home. Huh? Sa resto ni Gia.
Owner is here. The owner. The one that's here. The owner's daughter is here. The owner's daughter's here.
Guys, we're here already. We're here. Jacob Jen. And the owner is here.
I thank you for the owner.
Ayaw yata na.
Hello po. Oh my. Today, I'm here.
Oh, ikaw mag-share that.
Pretty restaurant.
Oh, we go
Ah, walang boss.
I stop talking.
Inside?
Ano ba yun?
Ito, meron doon.
Oh. Outside na lang, come on.
We need the freshness.
Yes. We need...
Bawal sa malamig dito. Oo, basang-baso. Yup.
Oh,
Come
you party
on.
here na lang next. Come on.
Yes, I ditched my party for this. Daddy will sing daw.
Yes, our box shirt.
Yes. Oh my God! Ang pogi mo! Kuya, sino ka? Kuya, ang pogi mo! Oh, autograph, kuya! Alas ka naka-brown! Ako na! Salat! Oh, the brown one! Oh my God! Oh my God! Hi guys! Eating time!
Nagsigat siya. Come on, everybody. guys, it's uwian time. Oh, geez, so lalim pala na. Hi guys, it's uwian time. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Oh, okay ka lang? Okay, Seb, may ano to me? Hello, are you okay? We're going home already. Bye!
Oh my God, wait! Oh, yoy!
Di pa nakakasakit-siksak.
Hindi pa ako nakakasakit! Isip mo, babalik ako. Oh my God! I thought it's
Wait, may ano pa pala.
Wait lang, Gulango! Wait lang! Stop! Wait, don't go! Makakalat kasi sa mata.
Sabi mo kanina sa Monday.
Oh my God!
Guys, we're going home. We're going home.
You can sleep.
Goodbye! We're going home.